don't mind me, I did just wake up, did snow overnight, and it's a lot. Let's go get dressed and let's go have fun in the snow. Let's go see the damage. It's time to put some makeup on because I look like that one Family Guy meme.
You're haunting this house with your whiteness, Brian.
Anyway, I put some blush on just to make my face a little less paler. Alright, I'm ready for the snow. Look at my hat. Peep the hat. It is my favorite hat. I never get to wear it out. We are going to go into the snow. Look. Got some leggings, we got some socks on the leggings, and then we got sweatpants under it, and I bet you it's still underlayered.
Hi, how are you?
The snow's not that good as it was this morning. It's still good enough to have some fun with Patricia here, but we'll have to see how she does today after I take her out on some fun here. I took her on some fun yesterday, and it was pretty fun. I just cleaned her yesterday and she's already so snowy. Okay, we're in the car right now. We're about to go to the parking lot and do some fun stuff in the snow. So far so good. What? Oh, it's already slipping. Okay, we're on the way to the parking lot right now. That's the brake. That's not braking. If I tell you to stop, you have to stop. Wait. Wait, no, no.
Sure there's no cops?
Oh my god, no, stop. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. Do not do anything. Okay, wait, stop driving. Actually, stop driving.
It's the only parking lot.
Oh my god, make him leave. Make him
We're in a
leave. Make
puddle.
him leave. Make him leave. Let him leave. Let him leave. Let
He's
him
not
leave.
going to leave. Okay, wait, he's leaving now.
Okay.
Chris, do you think that's a cop?
No!
No?
Oh, what to do? Wait.
Can we do? I know an empty one. Oh my gosh. Just go. You're slippery. Are we even drifting? Okay, we're good. This is enough.